राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट में अभी क्या राइट इन्फॉर्मेशन एक्ट में पॉलिटिशियंस का पूरा उसमें इंक्लूड नहीं किया है। वो तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी कहना मतलब मिनिस्टर लेवल में, प्राइम मिनिस्टर लेवल में उनको अगर बाई गवर्नमेंट में, गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशंस वगैरह में तो लागू हो ही गया, उसको भी इंक्लूड करना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। जो सबसे जो राइट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन हमारा कॉमन मैन का जो सबसे बड़ा अधिकार है।
पेंडिंग्स केसेस ज़्यादा रहते हैं, तो पेंडिंग केसेस हैं उसको स्टार्ट करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ कानून लाए तो एक लिमिट टाइम पीरियड में जल्दी से जल्दी जो हमारा जो केसेस हैं वो सॉल्व हो जाए।
आरक्षण के बाद जो थोड़ा देख रहे हैं उसमें जो ये आपका रिजर्वेशन का जो चल रहा है, जो आज जो जिनको रिजर्वेशन दिया जा रहा है वो आज उनके यदि मान लीजिए कोई कलेक्टर है, कोई यानी अच्छे पोस्ट में है, उसके बावजूद भी तो मेरा कहना ये इस तरह से जो वो ये सिस्टम को जो शुरू में लागू किया गया था वो खत्म करके सबको बराबर का मौका दिया जाए। उनको फाइनेंशियली या जो भी जैसा भी है अब उनको पढ़ते तक जो देना है आप दीजिए, लेकिन कॉम्पिटिशन के टाइम उनको बराबर का मौका दो। हमेशा उनको बैसाखी का सहारा के चलने का
Yeah, there are many loopholes. Like there were many loopholes when the main constitution was created. It was framed. There were many loopholes, but over the time it has been changed, amended. The laws have been amended, but still there are loopholes. The politicians need to see those loopholes, but because of their political interests, they are not able to amend them. But I firmly believe that over the time, people like us will grow and change it. Article 377. It should be made like LGBT Act. It should be accepted in India, but our culture, they say our culture does not accept it. So there are the Muslim personal law. I personally believe that a uniform civil code should be placed.
And one more thing is the caste-based reservation system. This is the major thing why some talented persons also lag behind because of caste-based reservation system. There should not be any caste-based reservation system.
Okay.
There should be reservation based of economic condition of people.
But as long as discrimination exists in India against any caste, I personally feel that the reservation should be there. But only as long as the discrimination
some flaws
exists.
and some loopholes in our laws, because you see that our constitution, the laws, people are not abide by the laws. They take it so casually. Means it's nothing. Means doing a crime, murdering someone, it's so casual. They just don't get the value of someone's life. They just murder and they just go back. And what is the meaning of this? Means they will just get a jail of about 32 years or 50 more. At most is 50 years. Not they will get not more than 50 years, never. Or sometimes they may get death sentence. I would like to make the laws that are concerned with rape cases, it must be more stricter. And even it must be humiliating, means it must humiliate the one who has done it, so that it must create a terror among all of us, and no one should commit it.
As in, there are laws made for the welfare of people, alright? So then it is, first of all, I personally feel is that people should be made aware of the laws which can be used at that particular point of time. People should be made aware about that. And apart from that, it's awareness, and then we can have, as in, if there are some laws which are not beneficial for people, then it can be in the collective, as in unison, the people can decide to change the law or something like that, but then that shouldn't harm anyone. That should only lead to betterment of the society as a whole. Same opinion actually, as in like there are many laws, so people are not aware about all the laws. So rape case problems, like it is beneficial as well as some people misuse this power of this law. Women misuse it too sometimes.
Society is changing, and therefore it is necessary to laws should be newly framed. And actually, social environment, everything depends on the social environment.
It has changed since the inception of this in 1950 till date. Many things have changed. So we believe that there are certain things need to be changed. But especially safety for women is now one of the prime concern. It needs to be looked at. Again, the laws for punishment and everything, all these cases.
At this time, I think it is
the Nirbhaya case, still now, there is no judgment given for that. For that. And the girl, how practically she has been brutally. Is that the way you treat
women?
And even after that, every now and then it
he
is
should be sacrificed. He did that.
It's a heinous crime.
Heinous crime.
Actually, that the poor in our country, have no money. So I think I should make a law to give them some money. Okay. For this villagers and the poor, for them, and the farmers, for them too.